Managing a retail store is full of challenges, but with the right strategies in place, you can tackle obstacles successfully. Here are 8 essential tips to help you effectively manage a retail business. Tip number 1, invest in your staff and provide crucial comprehensive training. Hire individuals who align with your store values and equip them with the knowledge and skills to deliver exceptional customer service. Having a strong team always helps you achieve more goals. Tip number 2, effective inventory management is key to ensuring you have the right amount of products in stock. Implement an inventory system to track demand and optimize your ordering process to minimize stockouts and overstock situations. Tip number 3, in the competitive world of retail, outstanding customer service can set you apart. Train your staff to be knowledgeable, friendly, and responsive to your customer needs. You'll create loyal customers that want to come back and tell their friends. Tip number 4, product presentation is important. Attract customers by investing in eye-catching displays, strategic product placement, and effective signage to create an inviting shopping experience that encourages purchases. Tip number 5, stay competitive by implementing effective sales and promotion strategies. By leveraging sales data, you can target specific demographics and offer compelling promotions and loyalty programs to also attract customers. Tip number 6, streamline your operations with optimizing workflows and implementing processes that minimize costs and maximize productivity. Regularly assess and refine your procedures to ensure efficiency at every level. Tip number 7, keep your store well maintained and clean. This leaves a positive impression on customers. So establish regular cleaning schedules, address any maintenance issues promptly, and ensure your store is always looking its best. And the last tip we have is number 8. Build a strong connection with your local community to increase brand awareness and customer loyalty. Participate in community events, collaborate with local businesses, and utilize social media marketing to engage with customers. By following these 8 tips, you'll be well on your way to effectively managing a thriving retail store.